Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, this is going to be a guide on how to be sub 20 on 3x3. So the first tip on this guide is plan out the whole cross-turn inspection. So don't just find two pieces and start. Find where all your pieces are. So we got one right here, another one here, one up here, and the last one back there. So point out the cross. So what I would do in this is go up here, then we can go back here, boom, 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 boom. So point out your cross. Don't just like find two pieces and call that it. Alright, so the next twist on here is going to be turn slower. Yes, so turn slower for a better look ahead. Because if you're just turning fast, you won't be able to find the next pieces. So if we're turning slower, we would have been able to see this. So we just turn slow. And since we turned slow, we saw there's this F12 pair right here. Which we see this now. Then we can see this. Since we turned slower, we are able to see all that. If you're just turning fast, you don't really see anything. So the next step on here is for OLO. So to be sub 20, we want to be able to recognize the OLO, which for some might be the hardest part. So you can be sub 20 on either 2-look PLO or just 1-look. Not PLO, OLO. So what you want to do is, first step, if you're doing 2-look, what you want to do is just completely ignore all of the corner pieces and look at the edge. Then this is where also the finger tricks come in. So you can just go. So what you want to do is if you're doing 2-look, you want to completely ignore all of these. So just forget they're there. And then so you just want to be able to recognize it fast. That's the goal. So then you would turn, then you're going to look here. And then we have this, so corners. Alright, so you just basically want to go fast. So, and how I just did that fast, that's the finger tricks. So you just want to learn more efficient algs, basically. And then, so if you're doing PLO here, or OLO, it's combined both, don't do cube rotations. Do U moves to set it up in the correct spot. So if you had this back here, don't do that. Do this. And then you can do your algorithm. And then for PLO, I would recommend kind of doing 1-look PLO maybe if you can, or just do the normal 2-look, which we got here for 2-look, or just an F firm. So you can do either of those. So the goal is to be efficient cross. So point out your entire cross during inspection. Then turn slower first. At the start, just turn slower, and then once you get better at looking ahead for F2L, you can turn a bit faster. So here's a bit of an example. Alright, so pretend you got the scramble right here. What you want to do is point out the cross. So we see these two right here, and we got one back here and one back here. So what I would do here is put this in back and do this. Put the orange piece down here because these are opposites. Then at the end we can do a D2. So you can do an R prime, a U, F. Okay, so basically like that, and then finish off with a D2. Now, if you're turning slow there, you want to solve this right here, so you can go, which then almost sets this up, which you can do for that back there, and then I would see this back here, so put in the front, I guess, which then the last tool right here. Now up here, for this example 12, I'll just do 2-look since not all of you might know full OLL, but if you want to learn full OLL, just learn all the easy cases first and then learn the harder ones. That's kind of what I did. I learned half and I got SUB-20. So now here, ignore the edges. There we go. And all right, now up here we got a so how I recognized this was corners, right spot, line here, and opposite. That's how I recognize the U perm here. Alright, so yeah, I hope that helps out a little bit. So with that, I'll see you next time. Bye.